Hi, I'm Joe Saunders with Miniature Landscape Hobbies. In this episode, I'm going to provide you a guide for how to shop for some surefire products that make really great presents for the miniature builders or hobby enthusiasts in your life. Let's take a look. Miniature Landscape Hobbies is proudly supported by these sponsors. It's almost here, the holiday season, a time of joy and fun, a time when we give and receive. Children find Santa has left amazing new toys under the tree. Others find the hottest new titles in video gaming or sleek new technologies neatly wrapped by loving hands. Still more holiday enthusiasts unpack the latest fashions or jewelry from gift bags that have been bestowed upon them by their significant others. And, of course, miniature builders find their holiday wishes fulfilled by unwrapping only the finest, socks? Maybe pants. Okay. So I think my regular viewers know this pain. The obscure nature of our hobby means that the miniature or model building materials we dream about just aren't likely to show up under the tree as gifts. But this video is not really for my regular viewers. Well, not directly. It's for you to forward onto your friends and relatives so they can have a guide to shop for the miniature and model building enthusiasts in their life. Now, if you're a miniature builder and gamer and you're still watching this, you need to understand from the layperson's point of view that our hobby might seem a little unconventional. And this can be intimidating to the Christmas shopper. Now, this shying away from our favorite gifts isn't intentional, of course. Our loved ones tend to be worried that they're going to buy a duplicate item or something we don't really want. And from the layperson's point of view, this does seem kind of practical. Think about it. 2 of the same outfit or 2 copies of the next Call of Duty game are pretty much useless. So people shopping for us are worried that the same thing will apply to the miniature hobbyists. Now, to the parents, wives, girlfriends, boyfriends, and in-laws watching this, put your fears aside, because I'm going to dispel the mysteries of shopping for your miniature builder or gamer right now. All you need to do is watch this video, and then go shopping to ensure the miniaturist in your life has an awesome festive experience. Please support us by subscribing on Patreon. Our subscribers receive a 5% discount on paint and building supplies from Torchlight Games, promotional products from Event Horizon Hobbies, free access to 3D print files, and a whole lot more. If you wish to make a one-time donation, click the button for Super Thanks. Okay, this might be a bit obvious, but please understand. Model and miniature builders actually want models and miniatures. What the shopper needs to keep in mind is that as long as you are in the ballpark and you're just generally shopping within the person's interest, you should be good. Now, I play Napoleonic era war games, but if you buy me a Chaos Demon, I'll probably be a little disappointed. But if you say, buy me some Russian line infantry from 1813, when I really want French cavalry from 1815, I'll still be thrilled. We have pretty broad standards this way, and you can use it to your advantage. So, moms and dads, brothers and sisters, and all the other sundry shoppers out there, if you buy a product that is close, but just not perfect, don't worry. Chances are, it'll be great. But I hear you say, What if my significant other already has the same tanks I just bought him? After all, we don't expect you to know how to tell the difference between an M1 Abrams and an M1A1 Abrams, do we? And this could be an issue, right? Well, not really. Hear me out now, and hear me well. Model or miniature collections are like Pokemon. We want to catch them all, even when they look all exactly the same. Seriously, go ask a miniature wargamer, when do you have too many of any one type of models? They'll provide an answer that will basically convey that having too many models literally can never happen. What's that? You're still uncertain? Then let me introduce you to a saying that all miniature enthusiasts know and say regularly. It goes like this: some models are always better than no models. So keep that in mind when you do your festive shopping. Trust me, I'm right on this one. As a fully accredited YouTuber, I literally can't be wrong. Miniature builders all use paint, and generally we use a lot of it. It's virtually always acrylic, and it's pretty easy to find. So if you still can't get the right models, or if I've not sufficiently waylaid your fears in the previous section, then get your hobbyist paint instead. Admittedly, different types of miniature builders will have different brands of paint that they prefer. Vallejo, Army Painter, AK, Citadel, there are quite a few types, and if you ask the person you're shopping for which they prefer, then they'll tell you what they want. Now I hear you say, what if I can't figure out which brand they want? Don't worry, just go ahead and get them some paint anyways. I guarantee it'll still work out. Why? Because we all use a shitload of paint, so we really need it. This fact applies to color choices too. Do you buy olive green or olive drab? What's the difference? The truth is, the average model builder doesn't know either, so just buy one and forget about it. Or better yet, buy them both colors. We'll use it, and we'll be happy. Okay, if paint is the best backup present for your beloved miniature enthusiast, then this also means that you can't go wrong with brushes. This is probably obvious. If we need a ton of paint, then by default, we need a boatload of brushes too. Also, like paints, the brushes come in a variety of brands and styles. Sable, synthetic, and natural bristles are all available. So you do have to consider that. But here's the thing. If you get any half-decent brush from, say, a proper hobby shop or art store, you'll be good. Your miniature builder will use them, and he or she will love them. Okay, there you go. But I need to mention probably the most important part yet, and that is where to buy this stuff. You can hunt for it and buy it online. I've put some items I like in the video description as affiliate links if you want to support my channel. But in my video links, I've also included 2 awesome sponsor stores that have seriously good shipping rates, and you can get pretty much any of the items I've mentioned there. I would also encourage you to find a friendly local game store and go there. Seriously, you'll literally never find a person in a hobby retail store who's not passionate about what they sell. I just don't think it's possible, and this'll pay off for you as the shopper. So stop in, talk to the experts, and they'll steer you in the right direction to get the right products. Trust their expertise, and you can be sure that your miniature enthusiast will be thrilled this holiday season. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button so you get immediate notification on our videos. And until next time, remember to keep building life in miniature.